Hey guys, this is Jamie Lola Tallulah Poet Spice here, and I am here to do a haul video. I'm upset because number one, it took over a month to get. So I got it from Create and Craft, and it's Hunky Dory, which is a British company. I love their stuff. They have some beautiful items, but they take forever to ship. And this one was an extra long one. It took over a month. And I got it today. Mr. Man literally just brought it to me about 20 minutes ago. And they left out part of my item after I waited for a month to get it. I'm like, what the devil? I'm going to go ahead and show you what did come in the package. And then I'm going to have to contact them and be like, where is my other stuff? So these are basically two bundles. It was a stamp bundle, and it was supposed to have 3 stencils to go with it. Do you see stencils? No stencils. So I have to contact them. But and it's cute. It's a garden theme, and it's called Garden Treasures. So this was an add-on piece. So I bought this. It's so cute. I hope you can see because I need another bulb in my room. And it's this one, and I really like this. You usually get your basket, you know, your other kind of basket, but I like this because it's that long basket with the flowers coming out. And it has a little, and look at these little gloves. The only thing about Hunky Dory stamps is they do not have dies. So it's fussy cutting or dragging out the scan and cut, which y'all know I can't stand. I hate that machine. I only keep it in order to cut simple stamps and to use the 2 USB kit things I have from Tatterlace. So that was the kit, and there were supposed to be 3 stencils. The stencils did not come. All right, now the rest all came as a big kit together. So first off, you got this big stack, and it's split already. It was split when it got the package, so that was a little annoying. But it's the treasures, and there's 144 pages of garden images and so forth. So you can decoupage, or you could use each sheet per card, do whatever you wanted to. So I think they give you 6 of each. But aren't they cute? I'm trying to show you the best light to get you the most light. But aren't they pretty? Yeah, I think there's 6 of each. And what I'm liking about this set is it's not as shiny as the other ones they have had out. So there's this one. It still has a little bit of a shine to it, but not nearly as much, which I like. And the back doesn't have much shine at all to make it easier to glue down. And you have this one. This. Aren't they so pretty? There's just some kits and whatever, you see them and you're like, I have to have it. Now it'll probably take me forever and a day to use this stuff up. And I'll probably end up making a few cards and, you know, hoarding it for a while. But the good thing about this is they give you 6 pages. So, you know, I don't do matchy-matchy. So 6 pages is something can last me for a while. Like if I made a card set of 4, it would probably be 4 different images, and then I still have more. Isn't that pretty? That is so flippin' pretty. But yeah, the thing about them is their shipping is ridiculous. Hunky Dory takes forever to ship. But it's pretty. Okay, so you got this big 144 card stack in this pack. You also got an 8x8. Which is gorgeous. It's double-sided, and it's got the imagery again from the pad. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh. And you get 4 of these, I think. Look at that. How pretty. Yeah, you get 4 of these. And it's so springtime. And when I ordered it, it was March 6th. Wellies. See, I have a stamp set from Hunky Dory that has the wellies. And then, what is it? Heartfelt Creations. They have one. And I'm like, oh. You know, how you try to decide, I don't need to buy another one because I have the same thing already. but they're so cute. So you have that imagery in this pad, and there are 48 sheets of that. So that was in there. Then you got these inserts, which are pretty, they're supposed to go on the inside of your card, but they're a good weight. So you could not make, they wouldn't be good for a card base, but you could put them as like a layer on the card or whatever. So they're single-sided, but you got the imagery again in faded muted tones. It's actually, they just adjusted the transparency really, but you could put that on all kinds of stuff. So it came with that, and I don't know how many there are. It doesn't say. I would imagine there's at least 48. Then it came with this pack, which is the cardstock toppers. See, Cardin Treasury Luxury. Yeah, baby. Okay. So it has all of this in there. So you get 4 little postcards, which these will probably go in a junk journal or something, but you could actually mail them. You get that, and you have a bunch of toppers and so forth. This one actually creates a card, I think. My cup of tea. I think this is a card or an envelope pocket or something. I have to look at it again. You get these, which are kind of like decoupage, and it's all die cut. So you get these, which you can add. These are little envelopes that you can punch out with little labels. And then some of these bigger areas, I go back and use some of my punches and just use that background stuff. You have some acetate that you can use. It's got gold foiling on it. There you go again. I think these are your 4 concept cards. That's what this is. Look at that beautiful purple. Oh. And then you have more toppers that you can use. And these are a little bit lighter as far as weight, but you've got tons of them on one sheet. So there's like this frame, then you have another frame, and then that one. So there's 3 pieces just with that. Isn't that gorgeous? And of course, you've got all the colorways. There's some sentiments and so forth for each color scheme. Little ticket tag things. We've got another one. So with just one sheet, you could be making all kinds of stuff. And I have a few others from them. And I just kind of hang on to them and hoard them. Almost like Graphic 45. So you get that in there. You also get cardstock pieces. Let's see. They turned it the other way. But you get cardstock printed, and it's thick. Like, that's card weight. When they redid the images, I just think it's so beautiful. So beautiful. It's just a pain in the butt to wait on it. It's a pain in the butt to wait. And all of you who have been on my channel know I do not like waiting for stuff I've paid for. Especially not for 30 days. But it's so pretty. Oh, so pretty. But really, I'm mad that I waited this long and they still didn't send me everything I was supposed to get. That really ticks me off. But it's so pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? Then you have some more of these, which are fabulously pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, I forgot that was in here. This is a little flower pot card. And you punch it out and put it together. I think you got 4 of these. Yeah, 4 of those. And then I don't know what this is. I'll have to look at the instructions. And then you got, oh, I know what that is. That's like your foam extra pieces, but not foam. Then the flowers, these are supposed to go into it. And then they give you your instruction sheet to show you how to do the flower. Oh, I forgot. That's what that was. It's a box card. And then they give you the ideas on the back. So all that was in that one pack. It was so fabulous. It was $41, I think, for all of that. And then the stamps and the stencils I don't have were $26. All right, thanks for watching, and I shall see you another time. Bye.